Let's talk about the importance of guardians when it comes to minor children. So, you may have heard in a previous video that I mentioned how important it is to have a will. Why? Because you can name guardians for minor children. There are other things that you can do when you do an estate plan in relation to your minor children. You can go beyond that. It's important to consider the level of guardian. You may need to consider having short term guardians and long term guardians. Why? Because short term guardians are those who are close in proximity. You may live in a completely different state and or country from your immediate family that you would want to take your children if something were to happen to you. So they're going to need time to get here. That's where your short term guardian comes in. You think about people that your children are familiar with and who are close by and can get to your home within 30 minutes to an hour. Those are the people you want to consider for short term guardian. Long term is who is going to be taking care of your children long term. And they could be anywhere, but they may need time to get set up. And that's why the two work in tandem sometimes when they're not the same individuals. So, those are things that you can think about when you're talking about an estate plan and you have minor children. You can take it a step further and take it beyond legal paperwork and talk about the things that you want your children to know if it were ever to be a situation where you are not here to tell them those things on their 16th birthday or for prom or whatever else may come up. You can put that into your estate plan. You can actually do those things. You can make your estate plan whatever you want it to be. So, yeah, you can talk about the money and the guardians, but you can really get granular and talk about the hard stuff. And I think that that is just as important as who's going to be raising them.